Okay, we're back, week 4, and this will be lesson 8 of Geography 66, creating web maps with ArcGIS Online. And in this lesson and assignment, you'll be creating 2 maps. One will be a regular 2D web map, and the other will be a 3D web scene, and both of those will be used in the step-by-step ESRI training video. And this should go pretty quick. And then we'll link to the training video, and you can watch that and follow the step-by-step. And I'll mention again that the training video requires a maintenance level contract or license, and so those of you who aren't in the class might well not have that and won't be able to do the video. So from your content, page, you should have created a folder called Experience Builder, and I've obviously got a whole bunch of other stuff there, but you should have your lesson 7 stuff there. And then you'll want to go to Map, because that's where we'll be creating a map from. And so in the exercise, you'll be using a current weather and wind data map as the only feature layer. So you go to Add, search for layers, make sure it'll default to My Content, so make sure you change it to ArcGIS Online, and search for current weather and wind station data, which I already have up there, but we'll do it again. And then here's the ESRI version, and that's the authoritative one. Notice when you just click on it to get more information on it, it comes up as authoritative, and just click the little plus sign there to add it. And it immediately shows each station in the world. So it's a pretty cool feature layer to have. And the arrows are the relative wind speed. You can look up the symbology, and it'll tell you different colors and sizes depending on the wind. And then each has other data, so it gives temperature, visibility, and other data there. So that's it. So let's just go to Save, and we'll give it the title Weather Data, and this will be the 2D map. You can add tags, so weather data, and I often, when I'm just practicing with a map or something like that, I put temp or some other designation, and then summary, we'll skip that, but it goes into your Experience Builder folder, and notice the drop down there. So go ahead and save that map, and let's set up the sharing while we're here, and let's just share it within Columbia College GIS program. And here's the link to the map if you need it later. And then done. Pretty straightforward. And now let's go back to content. And what you can do sometimes, you can stay within your map and also go to content. So from the home button you can navigate, and then I right click and open in a different tab. And then that'll bring up the content while I still have my map open. So from here, we're going to create our 3D web scene. So on the top bar here, click on Scene. And that brings up the globe, obviously showing you're in 3D there. And then we're going to create a new scene, but you can also bring up other 3D scenes you've created before. So we're going to add a layer. So let's search. and make sure you're searching ArcGIS Online and weather and wind data. And there's the same one, current weather and wind station data, and it's the ESRI, which is the authoritative one, and just add that. And notice how it slowly builds around the world. And then done. And save scene. And we'll call this weather stations 3D. And you give a summary and tags, but you do have to give tags. So we'll call it surface weather and temp. And then save. Okay, so we'll do the same thing. We'll go to home, go to content, right click, and open in a new tab. And we could have done what we're going to do next from here. Here's our sign in here, but we'll do it from content, which is to go to the ESRI training video, and I'll show you the sequence to get there. So from here, you go to your login name in the upper right, drop down, choose training, and then go to catalog and course catalog. And then search for Get Started with Experience Builder. And scroll down. And this is the one we want, 52 minutes, and it requires a maintenance license. So go ahead and click that. And then you're now in the course. And so in my case, it's watch again, because I've gone through it, of course, and you guys hit watch. And then just read the little blurb here, and next. And there's the video, so you just start the video. Now remember that at 38 minutes, and I'll post this in the blurb on the exact location, there's a mismatch between the app version they use and the more recent one that we're now using. And so rather than have you guys struggle to figure out why what they want you to do is not matching your screen, I've got a 3-minute video showing that particular workflow. Okay, so that's it. Start watching the video and doing the step-by-step using the 2 maps we just made. Thanks.